All right, guys, we are going to be reacting to Russia Su-57 Cobra maneuver, China air show mini maneuvers. Let's jump in. Such a beautiful jet, man. Oh, look at that. Wow, the flexibility. Wow. It's very light as well, and it moves very flexible, side by side, up and down. It has a lot of control on how it moves throughout the air. Wow, now it's coming down. Yo. Yeah, it looks unreal, man. The camera has it locked in nicely. But it looks unreal. Wow. That's gorgeous. There's another one here. There's a lot of videos about the Su-57. Look at that. Such a gorgeous plane. Gorgeous jet. Look at that. Wow. This is what I like. I love this. See how flexible it is? Look at that, how flexible it is. You imagine the G-force that is inside that plane. Wow. Look at that. Gorgeous. And shout out to the pilot. Again, it's probably a lot of G-force there. Like a lot of Wow, look at that. Yeah, the camera has it very locked in. It's so locked in, it's crazy. Look at that. You can see everything. You can see everything. Wow. Impressive. This is the pilot doing his stuff, right? It's so light. It looks light. And I think Russia has a lot of these too, man. Like, they have a lot of these Su-57. They have a bunch of them. Look at that. Wow. And jet pilots are in extreme physical condition because of the G-force is so strong. If you're not used to it, it can mess you up big time. So you have to have a very strong neck. Wow, very good job. We reacted to multiple Su-57 Cobra videos multiple times. All of them are very good, and they're amazing. The way this plane just move around very easily, up and down, you know, it's keeping itself with the competition. It's very impressive to see. If you're from the military, let me know what you guys think in the comment section below, and I will see you in the next one.